some examples of the transport. So first good example is hemoglobin. So see, the blood has to travel throughout the body. So hemoglobin, which is the iron containing protein, okay, of the vertebrate blood, what it does, it is going to take oxygen and throughout the body it is going to transport. How it is done? Through these transport proteins which are embedded in the plasma membrane. Okay, so they transport the oxygen from the lungs to other parts of the body. Other proteins, they just by diffusion, they can go what? They can transport the molecules across the cell membranes. So one good example is hemoglobin, which is traveling throughout the body transporting oxygen. This is an example for transport proteins. The next one is receptor proteins. So we have seen this often, like receptor and ligand, both of them joining together and sending the cell signals. So where is this receptor protein useful? They are useful for cell signaling. Where does cell signaling happen? It happens in the synapse. You remember synapse? These are the dendrites, axonobal knob over here. Here the electrical impulse is converted to chemical impulse and it is taken by the dendrite of the next neuron. So this is a very simple example of receptor proteins. What does the receptor protein do? They carry the impulses and they transmit the impulses from one cell to another. Okay, so they respond to cell to chemical stimuli. So see examples. The receptors, they build into the membrane of the nerve cell and they detect the signal molecules, and then from one cell they pass to the other cell. This is the work of the receptor proteins. A stimuli is nothing but an impulse. So you're familiar with these words. Stimuli is nothing but impulse created. Next one, structural proteins. So as the name suggests, structural, these proteins, they give a structure to the cell. And what is their function? Just to support. Okay, so these are the structural proteins. Mostly they can be found in the plasma membrane, the cell membrane or the cell wall.